Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today, where ancient philosophy meets real-life decisions. Helping others is noble, but helping blindly? That's dangerous. Stoicism teaches us to live with virtue, but also with wisdom. Because when your energy is given to the wrong people, you don't just waste time, you weaken your spirit, and you disrupt your peace. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." But being good doesn't mean being naive. Today you'll learn 5 types of people the Stoic must not help. Not out of cruelty, but out of clarity. Let's begin. Type 1. The deceiver. They use you, not need you. Some people don't need help, they need access. They pretend to be lost, helpless, or kind. But beneath the surface lies manipulation. They don't ask for help to grow. They ask for help to control, to exploit, to use. Epictetus warned, "A wolf may look like a dog, but you don't take him into your house." The deceiver wears a mask, and if you're not careful, your kindness becomes their weapon. A Stoic doesn't give blindly. He gives with reason. He sees through flattery. He watches actions, not words. Help the honest, but once you sense manipulation, walk away. Because helping a deceiver isn't generosity, it's self-betrayal. Type 2. The entitled. They expect, not appreciate. Some people don't ask for help. They demand it. They see your support not as a gift, but as their right. These are the entitled. They take without gratitude. They expect without humility. No matter how much you give, it's never enough. They believe they deserve your time, your energy, your attention, simply because they exist. But Stoicism teaches us this: give freely, but not foolishly. Marcus Aurelius reminded us, do not waste the rest of your life speculating about your neighbors. In other words, don't chase the approval of those who only take. Helping the entitled drains you. It feeds their ego, not their growth. True help lifts. False help enables. The Stoic path is one of service, but never submission. Type 3. The self-destructive. They reject every lifeline. These are the self-destructive. There are those who walk the edge, not because they're lost, but because they choose to ignore the signs. They reject advice, dismiss wisdom, and repeat the same patterns that bring them pain. These are the self-destructive. And no matter how much you care, you can't save someone who's committed to sinking. Seneca said it best: the greatest obstacle to living is expectancy, which hangs upon tomorrow and loses today. The self-destructive live as if they have endless time. They waste every opportunity and blame everything but themselves. Helping them may feel noble, but in truth it's like pouring water into the ocean, effort without return. A Stoic doesn't abandon compassion, but he chooses wisely where to invest it. Help those who fight for their own growth, not those who sabotage every gift. Type 4. The perpetual victim. They blame everything but themselves. Some people wear misery like a badge. No matter what happens, they are always the victim. To them, life is unfair, fate is cruel. Others are always to blame. The Stoics taught, we cannot control the world, but we can control our response. Seneca wrote, it is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. The perpetual victim wastes their life in complaints, while the Stoic uses hardship as fuel. Helping them feels compassionate, but often it only reinforces their passivity. They don't want a ladder, they want someone to carry them. But a Stoic knows, real help builds independence, not dependence. Walk with those who want to walk. Don't drag those who choose to stand still. Type 5. The resentful. They turn kindness into offense. The hardest person to help is the one who resents you for trying. You offer support, they see control. You extend kindness, they feel insulted. No matter what you do, it's twisted into something dark. These are the resentful. And their pain turns every gift into poison. Epictetus warned, If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Why? Because some people will attack anything that reminds them of their own inadequacy, including your help. A Stoic doesn't take this personally. He understands that bitterness is not his burden to carry. You cannot uplift someone who views your light as a threat. So protect your energy, withdraw with grace, and remember, your peace is worth more than their approval. Conclusion. Help wisely, not blindly. Let's be clear, Stoicism does not teach us to be cold. It teaches us to be wise. Compassion without clarity can be destructive. Helping the wrong people drains your purpose, weakens your will, and clouds your judgment. So remember, the deceiver uses your help against you. The entitled expects your help without earning it. The self-destructive rejects it before it lands. The perpetual victim won't rise even if carried. The resentful turns your kindness into a weapon. You are not here to save everyone. You are here to serve with purpose, to help those who are ready to rise, and to walk away when help becomes harm. If this message brought clarity to you today, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom Today for more timeless insight. True virtue is not blind, it sees clearly and acts accordingly.